if I remember correctly, this is supposed to be a 57-inch light, which is very questionable based on the size. So we'll see. But I spent a long time researching this, so I hope that it lives up to the quality I anticipate. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's the inside. So these are a lot smaller than anticipated. It was supposed to come with 2 lights that like stand. So I guess that's one of them. This is so questionable. Okay, and then that's another one, same thing. And it has this like up down arrow and you plug it into USB. And then I don't know what these are. I'll have to read about that. I think it's like a light filter for color. I don't know. Well, let's see what that does. Then what's down here? What? Okay. Multiple tripods. Like this looks like it's a hand one, potentially. Maybe they hook on to one another. I think it's like that. This is a lot smaller than anticipated. And then also, I don't know what this is. Another like mount. I think I need to test this. Rotate. Okay, so you put this the extendable column, and you put this on here. Oh my goodness, that was unanticipated. Okay, I think, oh, it just keeps coming. Okay, position 3 tripod legs. So the tripod legs are down here. Put them out. Okay. So that's the height for comparison. Okay, so we turn this to secure it in this position, but it can go forward, back, it just goes all around. So that's really nice. That was something I was looking for. Okay, mount the LED light on the LED panel. So this thing turns, so that way it's easier to get this in. That's really nice. This is not going well. Okay, update. I got it on, but I cannot make it stand. It just keeps falling. So that's already kind of annoying. But let's just see how the light is. It won't stand. It's just not gonna stand. It's just gonna have to hold it. But this is the lighting with one. So it is a lot more powerful than I was anticipating. The tripod's just so terrible. I just don't know that I can do it. Okay, I got frustrated and just put it on my own tripod. But I'm still curious about this tripod. I'm curious about these filters, what they do. So I'm just gonna try those out. Okay, that's the red. I don't know why anyone would want that. Okay, this is the blue. Yeah, I don't think I'd ever use that for turning this. So in the last clip, I was definitely a little bit frustrated. I returned that light immediately that evening. And so I decided to try another one. So since I hadn't posted this yet, I thought I would just include it in the same haul, and so that way I could do kind of a mini light review. So this one is Ubeesize. Ubeesize. I don't want to try to say it. You get the point. This is the brand. And I think if I am right, I have the ring light from them. And this ring light has held up strong. It doesn't really give me enough light for what I need. As you can see, it's pretty good right now, but it's daylight. At night, I would look a little bit like a ghost, and everything else would be really dark, so my background's dark. And then same thing, my biggest issue with the ring light is when I want to show my outfits, it really only lights your face when you're like sitting up close. You can't get too far away. So there's kind of my ring light review, but I do love this ring light, and it's been great for some like social media face stuff, but for outfits and stuff I wanted more light. So anyways, that's just kind of my whole lighting spiel. So hopefully it's better. Let me do a little unboxing. First thing comes with instructions. These look like they're clearer than the other ones, so it's already looking good. 2 stands, 2 mounts, light filters, lights. Let's put it together. Neewer light took me about 20 minutes. It was a very frustrating setup experience, so let's hope that this one's better. Oh, okay, so the legs, they're definitely more sturdy than the other ones. They could maybe use some grips, but that's okay. Okay, so there we go. There's the first one. And then it's here. This one's taller, for sure. Okay, so now I'll lower it a little bit just so you can see what I'm doing. It's still not like high quality, like it's not the best tripod, but it is way better than the other. This one's just a lot more user friendly. It does not have like a stabilizer thing where you can see, so you kind of just have to guess when it's even. But I guess it's just a light. It's not the camera, so it's not that important. This one doesn't come with a USB wall outlet, so you have to just use one. For the moment of truth. Whoa, right. Okay, I'm gonna lower it a little bit so it's, ow, it's really bright. So this is the lower setting. Then it goes up to, I think that's the max setting. There's just one light. So there would be another one where you could do that and then have the ring light. I use the USB, so I need to do that, but yeah, so that would be like 2 point, okay, I'll just do it. This is just the new light on kind of a medium setting, and it's kind of off to the side. This would be if it was just that light, kind of straight on. 2 point light to have it light the background. You can do that. And then this is with the ring light too. Oh, I really like that. I think with both of them, this is actually a pretty good setup. My main thing with these lights was just to make sure that the tripod was better than the other, because really I was pretty happy with the actual lights of the other one. But they also have these filters. I didn't like these in the last ones, but I will put them on just so you can see. So this one comes with 4 different ones. I think the last one only had these colors, but this one has an orange too. So I'll take the white out of it. Way better quality. The other ones were like an overhead screen. Okay, they don't go in very smoothly, but that'll do. There's yellow if you need a warmer light. I think that these are mainly for if you're doing more of a product shoot, like are photographing like a lemon or like a yellow product. It helps with that, but I guess it could also just be like an additional light and be a little warmer. I don't mind the yellow because it's not very, maybe when I, no, yeah, it kind of looks like I have skin disease. All right. Blue, red, orange. Honestly, I think I'll probably be keeping these. I'm pretty impressed for the size. They're really good. This was about, I think, $50. And I'm pretty impressed with them. And so I like the thought of doing a 3-point light. And